Restoring classic cars is an art form, but for some, it's not just about preserving the past. It's about blending the nostalgia of a beloved vehicle with modern performance and luxury. Legacy Overland, a specialist restoration firm from Connecticut, exemplifies this approach with their latest project, a stunning Restomod of the iconic 1977 Toyota FJ45 Land Cruiser. While many would opt for a simple fresh coat of paint and perhaps some modern wheels, Legacy Overland went all in on this transformation. When they received this Aussie-spec FJ45, they didn't just clean it up and call it a day. Instead, they stripped the vehicle down to its bare frame, leaving no stone unturned in the quest to create something truly extraordinary. The restoration began with the complete disassembly of the FJ45. Legacy Overland sandblasted the frame, repaired it, and coated it in epoxy before giving it a fresh coat of paint. This rigorous process ensured that the foundation for the rest of the build was as strong as possible. Once the frame was prepped, it was time to get to work on the performance upgrades. The heart of this FJ45 Restomod is the new engine. Legacy Overland replaced the original powertrain with a Toyota 4.5-liter six-cylinder from an FJ80 Land Cruiser. This engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and transfer case, gives the FJ45 not only improved performance but also the reliability that older engines sometimes lack. But the mechanical improvements didn't stop there. To make sure the FJ45 could handle tough terrain with ease, Legacy upgraded the drivetrain. New drive shafts, a reinforced radiator and cooling system, and modern brake rotors were installed on all four corners to enhance the vehicle's durability. Additionally, the ride height was lifted by 2.5 inches thanks to Old Man Emu ARB leaf springs and shocks. This modification gives the FJ45 even more capability on rugged off-road adventures, ensuring it's ready for anything the wilderness might throw its way. Visually, this FJ45 is a perfect blend of classic and contemporary. The dune beige paint job is timeless, creating a rugged look that is well suited to the Land Cruiser's off-road routes. The 16-inch steel wheels with chrome hubcaps, paired with the matching dune beige soft top, enhance the vehicle's classic off-road aesthetic. The result is a FJ45 that looks both nostalgic and strikingly modern at the same time. Inside, Legacy Overland paid close attention to detail, ensuring that the Restomod was both functional and comfortable. The original steering wheel was restored to maintain the vehicle's vintage charm, while modern upgrades were added to enhance the driving experience. New Dakota Digital's gauges provide accurate readings, and a custom sound system adds a touch of luxury. With air conditioning and newly trimmed leather seats, this FJ45 doesn't just perform well, it's a pleasure to drive. The cost of this transformation has not been disclosed, but rest assured, it's not a cheap affair. When you're talking about a vehicle that's nearly 50 years old, undergoing a complete mechanical overhaul, combined with modern comforts, it's no surprise that the price tag is significant. However, for those who can afford it, this FJ45 Restomod is the ultimate combination of rugged off-road capability and refined luxury. Whether it's the thrill of off-roading, the joy of owning a piece of history, or simply the desire for a beautifully restored vehicle, Legacy Overland's FJ45 Land Cruiser Restomod is bound to make its new owner incredibly happy. It's the perfect example of how a classic vehicle can be brought into the 21st century while still respecting its heritage. Legacy Overland's FJ45 Land Cruiser Restomod shows that you don't have to choose between performance and style. With its powerful engine, rugged design, and modern comforts, this FJ45 is sure to turn heads and perform when the going gets tough.